Office in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Defiance County, northwest Ohio, southeastern Henry County, northwest Ohio, northwestern Putnam County, Ohio, until 5:30 p.m. At 5:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Continental and moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado in Puerto Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Holgate around 5:15 p.m., Deshler around 5:20 p.m., McClure around 5:25 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Prentice, Gallup, Hamler, Ellery, Millett, and Grelton. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Ohio: Defiance and Henry.